you what's been on my mind. Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Hey darling, I love it when it's me and you, on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright.
Okay, so yes, we're doing an egg salad sandwich today, and you will hear more about that. I will update you and tell you, I'll introduce it all over again in just a little bit because I've already recorded it and I'm recording this after the fact. But I wanted to come on and explain why I have looked so tired and run down lately because I know you noticed, because several of you are worriers and you love me and you worry about me, and I appreciate it so much. So I thought I would address it real quick. We've just had a really hard 2 weeks here on the farm. It's just been rough, and when I come in and I'm stinky and I'm dirty and I shower, the last thing I want to do is put on makeup, and I just have that kind of face that looks washed out with no makeup. So that's why I've looked rough, and I'm gonna look even rougher. I did go in there and fix my hair a little bit while ago. Earlier in the video I had not even done that, so which you haven't seen yet, but you'll see it shortly. So I just wanted to explain I am fine. We have just been working so hard that makeup has taken a back seat and fixing up has taken a back seat. So anyway, thank you so much for worrying about me. I love you guys. So now let's move on to the egg salad sandwich. Hey y'all, welcome to the Farm and Pastor's Wife. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're making egg salad sandwiches. We're gonna put them on some fancy bread, and we're gonna try to possibly put on a piece of bacon if I get that done. So let's get started on the egg salad. Okay guys, so as you saw at the beginning of the video, I have boiled my eggs, I have peeled my eggs, and I'm starting to put them through my little chopper thing and put them in a bowl. So I'm going to finish doing that. We're going to come over here. There's Bryant.
Hey guys, I'm doing a little bit of church work.
Doing church work. So we're going to, I'll let you see me do one. I think you've already seen one in the opener. But I just put it in my little egg chopper thing. Go down once. Turn it in the opposite direction. And into the bowl it goes.
It's called an egg banjo.
An egg, is that what it's called?
It's called an egg banjo.
An egg banjo. Well, we're banjoing our way to egg salad.
Look how easy that is.
So easy.
I mean, like the Staples commercial. That's easy.
That's easy. Okay, guys, I'm gonna finish doing that, and we'll be right back.
All right, guys. Everybody, I want to show you something because I attempted to help her, okay? And it didn't work well, so let me show you something here, okay? When you put it in the banjo like this, okay, and you go across this way, I was immediately trying to lift it back up, and it doesn't work. You've got to take the egg, lift it up, and then open it up, okay? And then kind of hold it like this, and do like that. And look at there. Look how that come out, okay? Look at that. So I missed that step in the process, and I made a mess, didn't I?
It's okay.
It's okay. All right, just simply take a spoon. I got a spoon right here, and I'm just taking and kind of just whisking, if that's a word, whisking, mixing,
Mushing.
stirring, getting all the little chunks, little pieces broken up is what I'm doing. So just getting it all ready. We're going to use light mayonnaise in this today, so that's what it looks like. If you've double cross-sectioned with the banjo slicer, that's what it looks like. So, all right, we're going to get all the ingredients ready, and we'll be back in a second.
Okay, y'all, so we're over here with, if you want it smaller than this, you can take like a potato masher and go at it like that. At this point, easy. I just leave it like this because, anyway, it's just easier. Now, you can use regular mayonnaise. We're trying to make this a little healthier this week because last week, let me tell you, we both fell off the wagon.
Hey, can I use this?
You can use that. You can use whatever you want.
Does it work?
Yeah.
Tell them what that is.
That's the meat chopper.
That you got from Pampered Chef?
Pampered Chef meat chopper, but you can find them at the dollar store. So, anyway, he's just going to chop it up a little more.
Where's the potato masher?
I don't have it. I couldn't find it.
I do have a potato masher.
It's okay. I like it like this.
You like it like that?
Yeah. So, we're using light mayonnaise. I use a little bit of mustard, just a little bit of mustard. I use sweet relish. I thought about using dill relish today since we're trying to go light.
Double potato masher. Oh, yes. Look at there. I'm making a mess, aren't I?
You can add celery. You can add onions. You can add dill. I think some sprigs of fresh dill would be wonderful. But we're just going simple country plain egg salad with mayonnaise, mustard, some sweet relish, and salt and pepper.
But tell them what you're going to serve on that sandwich.
But we're going to add a piece of lettuce, and we're going to add a slice of fried bacon.
Oh, yeah. There you go. Look at there.
So this is going to be a great supper. Now, I never measure, so I won't even know how to begin. But I can show you the consistency you're looking for. These squirt bottles, you have to get everything down at the bottom.
It's kind of like Michael Jackson. Just beat it.
Just beat it.
Just
All right, let's start there. Give a little squirt of mustard. We don't want much. That's good to begin with.
Mustardo.
And I just start mixing, and add a little bit at a time because you can always add more, but you cannot take it out.
You have to boil more eggs.
Yeah, you'd have to add more eggs. I need a little more mayonnaise, Pop. His daddy said mayonnaise funny. Mayonnaise. So anytime I say I need more mayonnaise, I always try to say mayonnaise. All right, now a little bit of mustard.
French's.
Well, that's off-brand, isn't it?
Walmart. But even with low fat, we buy what? Dukes. Do you want a little vinegar?
Nope, no vinegar. Okay. Don't need vinegar when you got the mustard.
The mustard's going to be the tartness.
All right, let's give a little squirt of... Whoa. That might have been a little much of the sweet relish.
There we go. Heinz sweet relish. They like me being Vanna White today.
Vanna White?
You going to put in
I'm going to put a little bit of mayonnaise, Dad.
Okay, a little bit of mayonnaise.
Just a little bit more. I like mine kind of creamy.
All right.
And by all means, if you're not watching your weight, use regular mayonnaise. I'm not putting much of the sweet pickle relish. You want to add some dill?
Just add a little dill.
There's, it may be in the cabinet because it's not open.
Okay.
I'm going to go with just a sprinkle of salt and pepper. And I always pepper mine more at the table. Or on my sandwich when I make my sandwich.
A little Mount Olive dill relish.
So we're going to add sweet and dill.
Yes.
We've never done that before.
You know what?
First time for everything, right?
I bet that's going to be a good deal.
I bet it's going to be a good deal. Go ahead.
About a tablespoon?
Yep. All right, get you a spoon so you can taste it and see. what it needs. That's what's a key to making egg salad is taste it and see what it needs.
All right, here we go.
Y'all seeing my bad hair days.
All right, here we go. Taste test. Really good. Wow, I double
Is it really? You double dip, but it's
dip.
just ours. We're gonna eat it. What's it need?
A little mustard.
A little more mustard?
There's not enough. I like a little
twang.
Well, what
twang. About dill? You need more dill?
You want a little vinegar?
No, I don't want vinegar in
Then
my egg salad.
Let's do mustard.
No,
then.
do not put vinegar in my egg salad.
All right, here we go.
We did a little more mustard.
A little more mustard. All right, y'all watching?
And I like mine sweet.
She likes her sweet. I like mine twangy.
But I'm compromising tonight because I need to watch my weight. And
Okay, you try it this time.
I'll try it this time. Okay.
Tell us what you think. It's good and creamy. How's that?
That's pretty doggone perfect.
That is pretty good right there. That's the consistency you're wanting as
Yep.
well. Show them how you don't want it to be so runny. Show them how you don't want it to really fall off your spoon. You see what I'm saying?
my spoon is upside down, and there.
Yeah, that's the consistency
Yeah,
you want.
that's perfect. Okay, so we're gonna let this just sit and the flavors marry all together, and I'll make.
The word is meld.
They can marry too.
They can marry too. You're crazy, girl.
Anyway, we're gonna fry some bacon up in a little bit, and
Show them what kind of bread we're going to use.
We're gonna use this delicious multi-grain, thick sliced, perfectly crafted, nature's own bread.
Gonna be a fancy sandwich.
Fancy sandwich. All right, we'll see you at supper time. Let's make a sandwich. It's dark outside. Bryant's on his way home, so let's make a sandwich. Like I said, I'm going to use this good bread. There's some seeds in this bread, so if you don't like the seeds, this same Nature's Own makes the crafted breads in different, I want to say flavors, but you know what I mean. Not all of them have seeds, so just kind of go through them, but they are so soft and fresh. Okay, so let me get you guys turned down here. Let me grab the salt and pepper. And we're going to make this beautiful sandwich. Got some lettuce and some bacon on Judah's fish plate. And I need a good knife to cut this with. You can see those seeds in that bread. So good. So good. All right. We're going to put some egg salad, and we want to be generous with this egg salad. You want him to know he's had some. All right. Now, I like to salt and pepper my egg salad. All right. Let's put a lettuce leaf. And we've got several pieces of bacon here. And our top piece of bread. Now this bread is soft, so you don't want to like push down. You just want to get a good serrated knife and just go back and forth. And if your bacon comes off like it did, just put it back on. No big deal. There we go. All right. So there it is. So as soon as he walks in the door, we'll let him give you a taste test. But how does that look, y'all? That is some kind of good. All right, let me get a picture of it, and then he'll taste it when he comes in. So the picture has been made of this delicious sandwich, and all we need for him to come in the door and give it a try. So he'll be here in just a little bit. I know he's on the farm, and he's on his way home. So he's been at the church, and he always stops by the farm to check things before he comes home. So that's what he's doing. So he should be here shortly.
Hey everybody! It's time for the taste test. Hey, I got something in the mail today.
He just got a letter. He just got a letter. It's not a letter.
Hey, guess who it's from?
Wonder who it's from.
What's that error mean right there?
It's not from me.
The Amazing Zone.
The Amazing's on.
Yeah. You'll see what I got. It's really important.
Are you ready?
Ta-da!
Drumsticks.
Drumsticks.
I have a feeling Jude will get one pair of them.
Yep. Mine at church need to be replaced. If you don't know, I play the drums at church.
He's going to eat plastic with his sandwich.
Yeah. So, anyway, I'm excited about these because it has been a look. See those nylon tips right there? They sound really good on the cymbals.
Snare.
So I'm ready for Sunday. All right, let's
Right,
go.
they're ready for you to taste the sandwich.
Hey, tell them when I was learning to play the drums, what I used to do when we were driving down the road.
He would play the drums on the steering wheel, and then when it came time for a cymbal, he'd reach over and go,
Oh, just like that. How that hurt?
yeah, I know.
Did you think that was
I
funny?
know it hurt.
All right, here we go.
Okay, here's this delicious
Look,
looking
there's that
sandwich.
sandwich right there. Good night over there.
The bacon fell out.
It's okay. I get it myself, but I don't have thumbs. Bacon, bacon, bacon. All right, here we go. Have you tried it yet?
Not in front of them, no.
Oh, here.
I have tried it, but
There's your half.
oh no, I got my cauliflower thins.
Oh, no, oh, no, oh, no. Oh, here we go. It's messy.
We didn't do cheers.
We don't ever do cheers.
That's good.
Is that good?
That's really good.
Got some bacon on there.
That bread is delicious. Here's my bread.
That's really good.
It's really good, isn't it? Here you go. It's all over him.
The bacon, I don't think I've ever had egg salad with bacon.
It's delicious, isn't
Yeah,
it?
gives it that extra
Gives it
texture.
that egg and bacon taste.
Do you know how many comedians are out of work? And she's trying to be funny.
It's really good, though, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, this is so good I could eat it all right here on camera.
All right, guys.
I
There
know.
you have. Oh, you're not done.
No,
Look
no.
at you getting it everywhere.
I know. I want to tell them something.
Oh no, it's not a joke, is it?
No, it's not. It's really important. Let me get some focus here. You guys, right here, focus. Do you know what Kermit the Frog and John the Baptist have in common?
I know. Yes.
Kermit the Frog and John the Baptist. Do you know what they have in common?
You got egg salad over here.
Yeah, no. Think about it, guys. Real quick. Think of John the Baptist and Kermit the Frog.
Do you want me to tell them?
Tell them.
Their middle name is the same.
The middle name.
The.
Think about that. All right, now you tell them bye.
Okay.
They're
now-
laughing. I can see them. They're laughing right now.
So now I'm going to tell you bye. Thank you guys for watching the Farmer and Pastor's Wife and putting up with his crazy jokes.
I got another joke for tomorrow.
Oh no. Maybe I'll film before he gets home. Actually, I've already filmed it, so we don't have a chance. So anyway,
What's tomorrow?
Thank you guys. What's tomorrow?
Oh, look at that.
That's tomorrow.
I got to taste that too.
Along with the grocery haul. So thank you guys for watching the Farmer and Pastor's Wife. We love and appreciate you guys so very much. And remember, the grease is hot enough. You can fry anything.
Bye,
Bye,
guys.
y'all.